Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to put on your bell notifications so you can know when I am going to post new content. So today's video is going to be on my top 5 reasons why you should get your locks. And this is not for everybody. Obviously, we know this. But if you're thinking about getting locks, if you're obsessed about getting locks, if you've been dying and thinking about it, like, should I not? I don't know. Maybe. This is the video for you. So if you want to know my top 5 reasons on why you should get your locks, then keep on watching. I apologize for my voice in advance. I lost my voice because I had a little cold. So if I sound a little raspy, a little crusty, just go with it, okay? Number 1, the first reason why I think you should get your locks is because they're low maintenance. You save time. Did you hear what I said? Low maintenance. You save time. There's no more brushing your hair. There's no more washing your hair every day, detangling, blow drying, curling it, straightening it. Cut that all out. Okay, you still gotta wash your hair though, but not as often. You still have maintenance. So low maintenance still means there's maintenance. Okay, I'm not saying you're not gonna do nothing to your hair. I'm just saying you're gonna have less work. And for me, that meant everything. Because I was natural, I was so tired of having to detangle my hair. Like, the fact that I don't gotta see a comb anymore. If you know what I mean, imagine if you don't have to use a comb anymore. Your hair ain't gonna be tugging anymore. Like, I didn't want that. So if you want something low maintenance, if you are a busy person and you just don't have the time to be doing your hair, because that was me too. I ain't had time to be doing my hair. I didn't have hours and hours and hours to be spending on my hair. I had stuff to do. So that is why I chose to get locks. Okay? Because I was just like, no. I'm sick of hours and hours spent. For example, I would do a twist out, a braid out on my natural hair and wake up and it would literally blow up because of I live in Florida, so the humidity, I hated it. Now I go outside and my locks look exactly the same from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. So it is super low maintenance depending on the locks you have though. Let me make this clear. Depending on the locks that you have, it is super low maintenance. Now, it also depends on the size that you have. Obviously, if you have a lot of locks on your head, it's going to take longer to retwist your hair. So, for example, if you have micro locks, if you have sister locks, it's going to take longer to retwist your hair. But you're not doing that every day. So, that's still low maintenance. Yeah, you have to sit there for hours, but that's hours once a month or every other month or every couple months. You cut that time in more than half. So if you want to get locks, just remember that you will be saving your time, your energy on your hair. Number 2, for some reason, since I've started my lock journey, it's gotten me in tune with my spiritual side. And I've heard people talk about this. I've even seen videos. I've seen articles about this. And for me, it is very true. Once I started my locks, it turned me into a person that wanted to be more spiritual, wanted to learn more about myself and what I wanted in life and just started to change me, and in a great way, in a great way. And I felt like I never been so in tuned with myself. And it's so weird to say that it started with my lock journey, that I just felt more beautiful with my hair, and I just felt so good about it. And I know it sounds crazy. It sounds freaking ridiculous. Yeah, your locks did that. Share me. Like, your locks? Okay. I'm dead serious. Like, my locks has really put me on a spiritual journey. And it's really got me thinking, what is more important in life to me? And it's weird. It's brought in this energy. My locks have brought in this energy to me that I never fully understood at first. And I feel like I'm evolving into this new person. It just opened these doors for me that were just endless. Just these doors of myself that I didn't even know that I had until I started my locks. I don't know. This may not happen to you, or it may happen to you. I'm just letting you know that it could happen to you. Please leave a comment below and tell me if you are on this spiritual journey with your lock journey right now, because don't let me feel like I'm crazy and make me feel like I'm the only one that's going through this. If you can tap into your spiritual side, I mean, what do you got to lose? You feel me? Number 3, after I got my locks, I started to see a change in myself where I felt more strong. I felt like my locks provided me with strength that I didn't think I had before. When I walk in a room and people look at my hair, it's either wow or like, and honestly, I don't care because I love it. I feel the strength that my locks provide for me, and I feel good. I feel like I'm this powerful, beautiful black woman. I mean, which I am, but with or without my locks. But I'm just saying that I just feel good when I walk in a room and I have my locks, and I just love the look that it gives me, and it just makes me feel so empowered. If you're thinking about getting locks, you should do, because I'm telling you, the journey is just absolutely beautiful. Number 4, having locks are going to be distinctive and unique to you. Your locks won't look like mine's. My locks won't look like yours. Your locks are going to be specially made for you, and you have to embrace it, and you will love it. That's just what makes it so beautiful and so great, that it's your own personal journey that you're going through with your beautiful hair. I love my locks because they're so different, and every month I look at them and I feel like they're changing, they're evolving with me. And I just love the uniqueness about knowing that no one has my locks. And number 5, having locks is going to teach you to have some patience. It really will. It really will teach you. Because I know when I first started with my locks, I was just waiting for this day that it could touch my shoulders. I'm 9 months locked now, and it's touching my shoulders. And I'm telling you, like, after a while, your locks just do their own thing. I remember when I wanted to retwist my locks all the time. And now I'm getting to the point, look at my roots. Clearly I need a retwist. Am I going to get one this month? No, because I don't want to. I don't need one, and I don't care to have one yet. I want to wait till next month. It definitely taught me patience. And the longer I feel like your locks get, the more patience you grow. So just go with the flow. Your hair's gonna grow because you already know. And if your hair can show you to have some patience, something that a lot of us don't have today, where can you go wrong? Where can you go wrong? I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely want to see your comments and see what you guys thought of this video, or if you had opinions. Are you thinking about getting locks? Have you had locks before? Are you currently on your lock journey? Please let me know. I would love to read about it and comment back. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.